Welcome to Little Learner's World.
Hi kids! Today some birds have come to say hello to you. They want to tell you their names and something special about themselves. Let's meet them.
Hello, I'm a duck. I have webbed feet that help me swim fast. I love water, and I say quack, quack all day long. Bye!
Hello, I'm Parrot. I'm green and red, and I can copy your words. I also love eating fruits, especially mangoes. Bye!
Hi, I am a sparrow. I am small and brown, and I build nests near your home. You will hear me chirping in the morning. Bye.
Hello, I'm a hen. I lay eggs every day, and I have soft feathers. I live in the chicken coop with my friends. But hi there, I'm a swan. I have white feathers and I love to swim in lakes. I move very gracefully like a ballerina. Caw, caw. I'm a crow. I'm black and smart. I can solve puzzles. I like to collect shiny things too. Bye.
Hey kids, remember me. I'm the peacock. I have colourful feathers, and I dance in the rain. I'm proud to be India's national bird. Bye.
Hi, I'm an owl. I stay awake at night. And I have big round eyes. I'm very wise and quiet. Bye.
Hello kids. I'm an eagle, the king of the sky. I have sharp eyes, and I can fly very high above the mountains. I'm strong and brave. Bye.
Hi, I'm a pigeon. I can fly long distances. And I have gray feathers. I love to sit on rooftops. Bye.
Yay! You've now met so many birds. Duck, hen, parrot, pigeon, owl, crow, eagle, owl, swan, and peacock. Can you name your favorite? Tell us in the comments. This channel has a wealth of useful knowledge. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos and learn. If you liked the video, please like it. See you soon. Bye bye birdies.